Today we're going to learn about Feng, a little boy who lives in China. He's 6 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is salad. To make a salad, you have to pick your favourite ingredients. Tomato, cheese, olives. There are plenty of ingredients to choose from. Then you mix them in a salad bowl and you can add a salad dressing or special condiment for salads. Now it's your turn to make a salad. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
I think the teacher said that first we have to pick our favorite ingredients.
That's right! We each get to pick our favorite ingredients. I'll go and get the forks so we can eat the salad. I got my ingredient!
Me too!
Can we make a salad with these ingredients?
No, you can't eat them. You have to eat the ingredients.
Of course! Let's go and find some ingredients that we can eat.
I found them!
Wow!
I want to put lots of black olives in the salad.
I want to put all the ingredients in the salad.
I think it would be better if each of us made a small salad with the ingredients we like. And the tastiest salad of all will be the one we make together. How do we decide which is the tastiest salad? I'm the oldest, so I'll decide. Okay, Hoho, let's see your salad.
Ball swallowed.
Yeah, well, you can't eat a ball, Hoho, so I don't think I'm going to try it. Let's see your salad, Hee. Olive salad! The olives are good, but you'll have to add a few more ingredients. Let's see your salad, Hoho.
Ho-ho salad!
What are the ingredients?
Lettuce, ketchup, anchovies, yogurt, pepper, chili pepper, garlic, vinegar, tomato, mayonnaise, tuna, banana, and a touch of paprika.
Yuck! Did you try it?
No?
You have to try it to know if it's good.
Maybe it needs more paprika.
Let's see your salad, Hehe.
It's a salad with lettuce, cheese, corn, and grated carrots.
It's great!
Thanks.
Let's make a big salad like Hehe's together. Hee, bring the lettuce. Hehe, the cheese. Hoho, the corn.
Okay.
Hoho, the carrots. I got it.
Me too.
Where's the corn, Hoho?
I tried it to see if it was good, like you said I was supposed to.
But you ate it all.
Yeah, I I tried it all, and it was very good. What ingredient do we use now?
Black olives! Black olives! Wait! Don't put them all in. Just a few.
Okay.
Now it's only missing the carrots.
Salad? Super cool! They're like little balls.
Well, I bet the salad will be tasty with these cherry tomatoes too.
Ball salad! Nice going, Rachel! You did it! You made a salad.
Now you know how to make a salad. Congratulations! Hi, Momonsters!
Hi, Dee!
Today we're going to learn about Anna, a little girl who lives in Chile. She's 4 years old and her favourite thing in the whole world is being tickled. To tickle someone, first you have to find out where they're ticklish. It could be their belly, their neck, under their arms, because different people might be ticklish in different places. Now it's your turn to tickle someone. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
Tickles! Tickles! Twinkles!
Who's going to start tickling?
Me! How can we all start tickling at the same time? Start a tickle war!
Yeah, the last one who laughs wins.
Tickle wall! Tickle wall! Tickles! Tickles!
I'm going to make you cry! Laughing! You laugh! Hoo-hoo, you're out! No, Hoo-hoo, don't cry! It's okay, Hoo-hoo.
I'm sure you'll win next time.
Yeah, when we finish this tickle war, we'll start another one, okay?
You can play with your ball while you wait.
Okay, where were we?
Tickles! Tickles!
You're not ticklish.
Nope.
Why not?
I don't know. I think the teacher said that to tickle someone, first you have to find out where they're ticklish.
That's right. Another tickle war. Whoever can make Ho-Ho laugh wins.
Okay. Ugh.
Tickles!
Gosh, his sides aren't ticklish.
Okay, let's go for his belly. His belly isn't ticklish. Under his arms. His armpits aren't ticklish either.
Wow!
My kung fu is the best.
Hoho! You made Hoho laugh! Hoho's feet are ticklish! Super cool!
Hoho, you won the tickle war.
Twinkles! Nice going! Great job!
You did it! You tickled each other.